Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time that you watch this video. But before we begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Keen for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for a reading personalized to your unique situation, Keen helps you connect with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I always get a reading from Keen just to see the energies coming to me, especially if I have a major decision to make. I'm amazed with the accuracy and the clarity that I get from my favorite advisor. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen because as a new customer, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. Again, that's trykeen.com/QOP. The link is on the description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what are the changes coming to you in the next 6 months from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 31, 2024. Ang link ay nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see Aquarius. Changes in the next 6 months. Aquarius. Exchanging gifts. Merong magre-regalo sa'yo or may marireceive kang unexpected gift. And I think mas magiging risk taker kayo, no, in the next 6 months. Yung tipong mag-e-enjoy ka sa mga susubukan mong bago, no. Oo, ito yung mga bagay na never mo pang na-try pero very much interested ka. You also have truth to be told. Maaaring merong magiging honest sa'yo, no? Magsasabi ng totoo. Pwedeng may mag-open ng, tinan mo, mga hearts to ng feelings niya towards you. Mag-open up, oo. Marirealize niya kung ano yung totoong feelings niya towards you or pwedeng ikaw to. Ang mag-open up sa isang tao ng feelings or nararamdaman mo. Parang magte-take ka ng risk with this person. Or vice versa, this person maaring magte-take ng risk sa relationship ninyo. Unexpected. Yung iba naman, maaring merong window of opportunities na darating. And you will, baga magre-respond ka dun sa window of opportunity na yan na igagrab mo. Uy, Leo energy expression talaga. Yes. So, I think mas magiging creative ka in the next 6 months. Oo. And also playful. Yung iba, pwedeng mapasok sa isang relationship. Actually, pwede namang walang commitment, no? Yung iba sa inyo. Gusto nyo lang yung dating, ganyan. Yung maaring energies ng person nyo ay Capricorn o kaya Leo. And mas magiging entrepreneurial ka rin. So, focus on career or business. Mas magiging disiplinado ka in the next 6 months sa pag-achieve ng mga goals mo. Mas magiging realistic ka rin kapag alam mo na parang malabo, hindi mo gagawin. Doon ka sa sigurado. And at the same time, kapag alam mo sigurado, kumbaga, doon ka pupusta, doon ka susugal, doon ka magte-take ng risk. You also have lava. Ang lava is about courage, passion, determination. So talaga mas determinado ka na i-pursue yung mga goals and dreams mo kahit mahirap. Kumbaga na-realize mo na hindi lahat nabibigyan ng oportunidad, no? Para ma-achieve yung goals nila or maging magkaroon ng opportunity for their dreams na mangyari. So, kayo, ipupurso nyo talaga yan. You have the lion energy. Ang lakas ng Leo. So, maaring malakas yung inyong Leo placements or meron kayong person naka-deal na isang Leo. This energy is about justice, karma. Okay? So, kung ano ang itinanim, yun din ang inyong aanihin. So, make sure in the next 6 months, maganda yung inyong tinatanim para maganda rin yung inyong ani. Ibig lang sabihin yan, kung ano yung mga efforts na ibibigay nyo sa relationship, sa career, sa business, yun yung yun yung bunga rin na makukuha nyo. You will be rewarded. You have the temperance. So, some of you may healing. Pwedeng physical healing rin ito. You have the page of swords. Meron kayong, yung iba may pag-aaralan kayo. So, if you are interested in healing, pwedeng yung iba, medical professionals na gusto nyo pang palawakin ang inyong kakayanan, no? Na mag-heal ng ibang tao. So, pwede rin to take care of other people. Gagawin nyo yan. Yung iba naman, spiritual healing. Baka magiging interesado kayo sa Reiki or energy healing. You have the Ten of Cups. So, this is happy family, no? Meron ditong fulfillment in terms of your family. Maaring iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong mabibiling lupain, no? Properties na matagal nyo ng pangarap. So, yung iba, maaring, hindi naman sa lahat to, no? Maaring meron kayong family member na magbabalik sa buhay ninyo. Yung tipong ang tawag doon, the prodigal son or the prodigal daughter or the prodigal husband or the prodigal wife. O kung sino man yung nahiwalay sa inyo, no, in the past na family member ninyo. So, ngayong, in the next 6 months, may reunion, may reconciliation. Maaring meron din ritong magpapatawad. Papatawarin mo, tatanggapin mo ulit para, happy family ulit kayo. Let's see what else. You have the Queen of Wands. Very creative talaga kayo. Yung iba sa inyo may business partnership. Papasok kayo ng mga multiple streams of income. You are going to be very busy. Some of you, maaring makakahanap kayo ng, if you are single, no, pwedeng in the next 6 months, meron kayong makilala na romantic partner sa trabaho, sa workplace. Diba? The lovers. You will enter a very serious relationship in the next 6 months. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, magpaplano ng magpakasal or magsama with the person that you're dealing with. Pero kung may family ka na may mga anak na kayo, I see this as being more committed sa responsibilities mo sa kanila, sa family mo. So, talagang double time magtatrabaho ka ng bonggang-bongga. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron ditong agreement, like business agreement, commitment sa negosyo. Pwedeng kasama mo rito ay isang mahal sa buhay or romantic partner. Yung iba sa inyo, international business to. Pwedeng trading, pwedeng yung importation, ganyan. Nag-i-import, import-export. But definitely, in the next 6 months, medyo magiging busy ka sa mga pagsasabay-sabayin mong obligation, trabaho, business, or career. Pero, meron namang tutulong sa'yo. Someone is there to support you. Mm-mm. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!